I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Everyone wants to lose stubborn belly fat, but the fact is, you can't choose where your body burn fat when you work out. According to research, targeting belly fat can't be possible or easy as you think. But I'm going to show you what research has found and how to target your stubborn belly fat. Before I continue, please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribing to this channel will never harm you but always keep you updated. As you like, also keep us motivated, and your comment also help us to create future content to help in your fitness journey. Let's continue. My belly fat was one of the areas I suffered to lose belly fat. And the question is, why is belly fat so stubborn? Once you understand this, it makes it more easier for you to target your stubborn belly fat. Why is belly fat so stubborn? To get rid of, you see, to burn fat, your body needs to release the fat, and after that it burns. There are a lot of the body parts that release fat fast because they have veins that blood flow through when you work out, but your belly receives small blood flow. That's why burning belly fat has become difficult. But research has made it clear that you can reduce fat in any area that you choose. So let's go straight to the point on how you can lose belly fat. The more exercise like sit up, crunches, leg press, plank, and many more you do to target your belly fat, just release the fat but will never burn it. The process of releasing fat in the body is called mobilization. Please do well to like, comment, share, and subscribe to contribute to the growth of the channel. If you haven't do so, thank you. Research shows that you can target your stubborn belly fat by combining abs exercise and cardio exercise together. Before you can burn your stubborn belly fat, by using abs exercise only, you are releasing fat, but you are not burning them. By using cardio only, will not reduce the fat in the belly, but by combining the two, which means when you mobilize the fat in the belly, then you burn it. Very easy. This is the secret no one is telling you. When it comes to abs workout, I prefer you use crunches instead of plank and any other, because crunches help the belly to release more fat than any other abs workout. And remember, you can't do abs workout for about 30 minutes and do cardio workout 3 minutes to burn belly fat easy. When we do abs workout 30 minutes, cardio workout should be 30 minutes so that it will be balanced. I recently made a video on how to do crunches properly. I will drop the link in the description. Diet plan is also important, but I don't think it's necessary because the more you eat, the more exercise you do. So you have to manage your diet plan. We have a lot of related content that will help you in your fitness journey. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I have already said, subscribing to the channel will always keep you updated but will never harm you. Thanks for watching.
They sold out shows for 1,000 faces, ayy. Give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I